Thank you for taking a look at the high-level overview of the ExactHire ATS. Starting here from the candidate's perspective, this is an example of a career site that we build for our clients. This can be linked to your corporate website and/or any job boards that you would choose to post to. This mobile optimized and branded site will display your jobs that you're looking to fill. The most unique thing about the candidate's perspective of the ExactHire ATS is that job seekers can apply to multiple jobs across multiple locations, if that's applicable, with one streamlined application. Your job seekers are not required to painstakingly complete application after application for each position they're interested in applying for. The ExactHire ATS will intelligently compile the unique application credentials you require for each and every job and streamline it into one convenient and time-efficient application. This multi-apply feature, in addition to the fact that we do not require your candidates to remember a password if they want to come back to apply again in the future, means that you as our client will receive a higher volume of applications overall. Let's switch gears and look from the administrative perspective now. First, you'll see your jobs feed. This is a comprehensive list of all of your jobs. You'll use your filters that you see here at the top to sort through the information, opting to see just what's applicable for you in that given moment. If you click into one of your jobs, first you'll see various job details created by you and your team, followed by the hiring team solution. Add any relevant team members to the hiring team for any given job, and select at which stage that particular team member of yours needs to be notified. Notifications happen externally via email. This hiring team solution supports a collaborative effort with automated notifications for a workflow without hiccups. The Promote tab is where you'll decide how to advertise your job. Click here to indicate you'd like to post the job to your career site. You'll then be able to select which job boards to utilize. The ExactHire ATS integrates already with hundreds of popular job boards. We even offer automated feeds with both Indeed and ZipRecruiter. Next, we'll review the applications feed, which again is a comprehensive list, this time of all of your applications you've received. Once again, you'll utilize your different filters here displayed at the top to drill that down to exactly what is relevant to you. You can also see your applications in a swim lane view versus the standard list view, which allows you to see which applicants are in certain stages. You could even drag and drop an applicant into a new stage while providing an advancement reason for your other team members or for yourself to be able to reference and remember in the future. Inside any given application, you'll find all of the application details, including a comprehensive summary, files, such as a resume, other applications submitted by this same applicant, if applicable. And we have optional areas for background check integrations, skills and personality assessments, as well as the optional integration with our employee onboarding module. You'll notice you can also do things like copy this applicant to another job that perhaps they're more qualified for, or even schedule an event of some kind, like an interview, directly through the ATS. Lastly, we're going to land in our communication center here. This activity thread is a historical thread that showcases all activity that's taken place between this applicant and your team thus far. Everything is logged with a time and date stamp. So you can reference this thread to get caught up to speed on how this applicant has progressed through the overall hiring process. Next up, in the message center, you'll be able to send and receive text messages and emails. If you want the new message, for example, to go out via email, you'll just hit send. If you'd prefer to send this as a text, you'll simply check the box that says send as SMS and then send that message, and it will go to the applicant's cell phone as a text message if they've opted in during the application process to receive text communication from you. The ExactHire ATS includes unlimited text message recruiting capabilities for all clients. There is no limit on the number of texts that you can send through our platform. Wrapping up the demo, we'll stop in the notes area. You'll be able to take and store notes of any kind. They can be short and sweet, they can be very lengthy, whatever happens in that moment. We offer robust privacy settings that allows you to be able to control exactly who is able to see the notes that you store. If they're just for your eyes, mark accordingly. If you'd like to share them with maybe a handful of your team members, go ahead and hand select who should have access to this note. And that wraps up the high-level overview of the ExactHire ATS.